Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dr. Faith Abraham, your favorite Dr. Honey, and I want to share with you another what's in my bag, but not really what's in my bag. More so, again, a type of video for the boss babes, on-the-go women who have are juggling life, kids, business, family, everything in between. I'm all about making my life easier and more simpler, and so when I make purchases or when I'm looking to buy things or I'm doing things for myself, it's not just like, oh, I want that, I'm gonna get it. It's more like, I want that, but how does that fit into my life? And the truth is, my sisters are always like, girl, just get it. If you want it, just get it. And I'm like, like, I have a whole process that I go through, and I really tried my best to, get rid of the process, but it's really hard, and it's just really because that's how I am and that's who I am. And so as I've embraced it and I've accepted it, that's made my life easier. And what I've also had to do is find standards by which I use to now help the evaluation process, so to speak, go a lot smoother and easier. So since doing that, I have been able to make more decisions, purchase certain things, do certain things that I feel like are going to not only satisfy me in the moment, but also last me a long time and really do for me what I want it to do. And so in this particular video, I didn't notice that collar before, so now I'm like having to fix it. In this particular video, I want to talk about another Louis Vuitton bag, and it's actually, at the point of recording this, sold out, so you can't even get it. You have to get on the wait list for it to be shipped out to you, or I guess depends on where you live, if they may have it in stores, but online you cannot purchase it. But it's a super cute tote, super cute bag. I've seen a lot of women wearing it and using it, and I really try to, so like sometimes I like labels and like label, right? Then other times I'm like sophisticated, demure, yeah, all of that juice me up type of thing. Like, what is that kind of feel? So I kind of go between the two, and I have things that fit in that thing, but what I did in my last video was I did basically showing you what was in my bag, and it's the Azur Damier, however you pronounce it, Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and I have the MM. I actually have it with me because I want to show you something really cool. So this is the bag. I really love this size. I've seen recently, one of my sisters, she has the big size, and it is huge, and she doesn't even have an organizer in it. I'm like, sis, I'm gonna need you to get an organizer. Like, I'm gonna need you to have your stuff, pocketed and everything. And she's like, what? I'm like, don't worry, I'll get it free for Christmas. Because there's just a shape, and see, you can tell this has an organizer in it because of how it slopes down. And when you don't have an organizer, it's like all over, like just lumpy and bumpy and all over the place. But I brought this because I want to show you this. This is the On The Go by Louis Vuitton monogram, classic monogram. It's in, of course, the brown and the flip side, flip mode. For those of you who know, if you know what flip mode is, can you put that in the comments that you know what flip mode is? Flip mode. On the other side is the tan. So the giant monogram print on both sides. Then you'll see here within the folds the classic traditional print that you're used to seeing and having. But see how they do it? So it's the brown, and then it comes into the brown, and then it flips into the tan, and then you go into the corners and it goes to the tan, and then you roll it around. Then of course the handles are so lovely, and unlike on the Neverfull, where you'll have the oil and everything just changing the colors, which I love. I do love that change of color. You're not really gonna have that on this, and it's just really beautiful. We also have like a little keychain on there, very cute, LV. And so with this, I also want to show you that, and so with this, I want to show you like my thoughts towards this as a tote. And I really, it's brand new, and I know a lot of women are going to go out and grab it and kind of feel like, well, is this going to work? They have their own standards like I do. Like, is this going to work for my everyday? Is this going to work with what I'm doing? I'm going to tell you absolutely, positively, yes. And even the coolest thing about it is, the reason why I brought my Neverfull is because the organizer. So I have this and I have this, and if you remember my last video, I was telling you about the organizer. You literally pull out the organizer from your Neverfull, pull that down, take the organizer, and slide it into the On the Go. Now this size, I'll put it in the description box so that you can see it. But what I want you to understand is, it's, even though it's like a snug fit, it's the same size and it fits perfectly. So the tote is going to carry about 100 pounds, and that's the same as the Neverfull. Okay, and you're also going to literally have the same organization that you have from one bag to the next bag. I cannot tell you how much that makes my heart sing, because I hate changing out my bags, and then, you know, you change out your bags and then you're like, oh, I forgot, I don't have my lotion, I don't have my sanitizer, I don't have my mask, I don't have my favorite pen, I don't have my planner, I actually don't have my planner because I took it out. But you see, look at that. It's beautiful, and it sits right on top of the inner handles. I'll show you a little video on here for that, but it sits right on top, or you can just pack them up and move it around. But it's just a perfect fit. So like I said, I'll put the link to this in the description box so that you can grab it. But this is the type of stuff that I absolutely adore, I absolutely love. It makes your life easier. See? And I can just, so let's say I'm not doing this one today. I'm doing this one today because it works better with my outfit. The Neverfull is a bit bigger, of course, so it goes in and boom, you are good. Y'all, I cannot tell you, like, anything that makes my life easier and simpler, anything that helps me to stay organized and on track but still be fashionable and beautiful and put my best foot forward when I'm in a meeting or I'm going to meet clients or I have something coming up, like, that just makes my heart sing. I just feel so good about it. And so I want to let you know, if that's if it's a purchase that you're thinking of or you're wanting to do, sis, do it, because it is so cute. It's so bomb. I know. And then I didn't even tell you guys that part. So it's, you have the dual at the bottom. This one, like, unlike the Alma, which I love about the Alma, it doesn't have the little footings, the little, I call it footings of the purse. It's just flat, which, you know, is okay. Same thing that you got on the Neverfull, but it's just the cuteness of the dual and the different tones. And even if you're flipping into your neutral mode or you're kind of going brown, you know, you can just work the thing, honey. Work. Okay. Of course, you have the easily fits in the crook. I'll put a video up of that too. And then of course you have the inside, and you could hold it like this right on the shoulder and you're good to go. And again, it carries a lot of weight. It's really beautiful. I don't even have to show you what's inside the bag, because if you watch the other video, you already know what's in my bag. And I might have a taser or something, you know, or some files, but other than that, it's the same thing, because I literally just take the little organizer from one place to another place. But and this is just a really great investment. I think that Louis Vuitton really did a great job of doing the modern look with the big, you know, giant monogram, but bam, bam, with the small print on the sides. And I felt like with this tote, they were really considering us as far as like those of us who are working. You know, we have laptops and diapers. We have sanitizer for ourselves and wet wipes for the kids. We have, you know, planners right next to crayons and crossword puzzles. Okay, like they really thought about us. It's a really great bag. Of course, the details on here are magnificent. This is the ruby interior, and you can get, you know, there's a multitude of colors or what have you right now, and of course it locks right at the top, so that's super duper cute, and we love that. So again, I think that this is, now that it's in my possession, I'll say it's a really great tote. It is a bit more structured, unlike the Neverfull. Like, I feel like the Neverfull is kind of like you can just do whatever, and not whatever, but you know, like it's just not as structured, so you can really flow with it. Whereas this is more structured and it's more business-like. It's more like, hey, I'm in a briefcase, I'm really doing something. And this is more casual, fluid. You're just kind of going around, but this is like more of briefcasey, but still sleek, chic, modern, and really sexy. So I love it, honey, and I think it's a really, really great bag. So if you're thinking of getting a bag, or you already have the Neverfull and you're like, I don't think I need another tote, no, sweetie, you need this tote. This tote is bomb, okay? And it's just bam in your face, you know what I mean? So do your thing. And look at that, yes. Do your thing, work it, work it, work it. And if you agree, because I know some of us have different tastes when it comes to monogram and logos and stuff. If you like the more demure, let me know. If you like the more bam in your face, let me know. But that's it for this video. And if you want more videos like this where, you know, I'm just talking about different bags and luxury and things like that, put it in the comments. Let me know. I would love to do some more things like this for you. Of course, I do coaching and mental health, emotional health type of things like that on my channel. But, you know, I'm also a fashion girl. I love, like, my entire outfit that I'm wearing is J Lux label. And I'm actually going to do a try on video and kind of just let you know too, because I've had 3 kids. So post-baby body is not the same as pre-baby body, but we still feeling it and being sexy and bringing it, you know what I mean, but still being classy. I've gotten into this place in my life where I'm like, I kind of want to have a foundation and a capsule for my style and how I dress and what I do to make it easier for myself. No more decision fatigue. That is a real thing, but every single time I go in my closet, I can pull something out and look and put something on, and I look like I spent hours, you know, picking out the outfit or what have you. So if you want more videos like this, let me know. Put it in the chat. For those of you who have no idea who I am, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see my website, www.faithabraham.com. I am, honey, your favorite doctor, and I will look forward to seeing you soon. And guess what? Since you're already here, honey, can you please go ahead and watch the next video? It's gonna bless your life anyway. Yes. All right. Bye.